In this video, let me show you how to fix YouTube cannot create playlists. So if you come across this issue where a playlist cannot be created within your YouTube account, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to reinstall the application. So if you're currently trying to create a playlist on your phone using the YouTube application, so in this situation, just uninstall YouTube from your device and then again reinstall it. If uninstalling is not an option and if it is a default application on your device, in this situation what you can do is simply tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. Now once you do these two steps, try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to ensure that you are not connected to a VPN, or if you're using the YouTube on the web version, in this situation as well, make sure that you remove any sort of extensions which might be causing this issue. So using these few methods, you'll be able to fix the YouTube cannot create playlist error. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.